Okay, so the recording has started. We will be able to share this once the cleaning is done. I did a recording yesterday. Didn't realize they didn't basically realize the headsets I was using had default, so I had to buy the other ones. So, yeah, just like we've said, the recording has started. Okay, so from practical point of view, that's how we're going to look at this. So, just a bit a bit talk. I think we looked at how to create a table, how to populate. We just want to go a bit beyond how to do the joining, okay, how to add a column or remove a column from the already existing table in in our database. Okay, we want to join the left table to the right one. We want to join the right table to the left one. We want to join two tables equally. We want to join more than 3 tables. We want to add a column. We want to remove a column. We want to add a row. We want to remove a row. Basically, those are the discussions that that's what we're going to have basically today, basically today and Thursday. So in an event my laptop goes off, we have to reschedule. Power just went. I will tell you that, okay, we'll basically say once power goes, so that once my laptop is about to switch off. It wasn't on charge, so it is still low, but it will give me warning. Okay, supposing you can see my cursor, basically okay, so these are some of the commands that we learned together. Creating a table, we say create table, then the table name, then you put columns there. And let's say date, maybe my date, then with the date, then my time, then with the time, then my date time, date time. Okay, then you put a semicolon there as a statement. Okay, so just really a quick one. We will create a number of tables. We will create a number of tables, and we will build from there. Okay, if you remember, we said create table because we want to do this from practical point of view. Then table name, just like test. Okay, so basically this is more like a method. So you put those two there. Yeah, then at the end with this semicolon. Okay, it is right there. Then you start putting columns. Okay, so in our event we're gonna say maybe student with ID. Okay, before we come there. let's just go step by step. Maybe my date, then we do date there. No, where is comma? My time, then we set time there, comma, my date, time. Okay, then we set date time. Don't worry, we'll look at this. Okay, so when you see this, we cannot create a table. This will give us error. I just did this. You come here, you do this. You are going to see, just left click that button. You're just going to see an error here. Who can tell us why this error? Who can tell us why this error? Who can tell us why this error? Who can tell us this error? Why this error? Previous, welcome. Don't worry, the meeting is being recorded.
Thank you very much.
Okay, when we try to create a table here, this has brought us an error. Who can tell us why this error? Why? Okay, so we go to SQL here to create a different workbench. So the reason is we didn't create database. We don't have a database. So the first thing you do is create database with the command database. Okay, then database name. And this database name, we can call it student. Basically, this is case insensitive. It's not case sensitive. Then we just put a semicolon here, then effect. Okay, so we have a database now. So when you refresh, basically you refresh here, you are not going to see any of the black black dot. The reason is simple. When you create a database, it doesn't mean that database is in use. No. So what do? You use this database. So with a command use, okay, then database name, and our database name is student. Okay, and our database name is student. So use student. Then we can do this. Once we effect this now, you are going to see that we have the database in bold. This is student here. And that is the database which is currently in use. Don't worry about the QR code attendance DB. This is for my final year project. So this is the database which we are using. So we started by we started by creating the database. That's why we started. So we've created that database now. Don't worry about these databases. Don't worry about them. Okay, don't worry about these. Okay, so basically, okay, so I don't know how I can remove this. Right. So here now, we can now create a table because we have the database. So when we effect this will be now effected. Okay, this will now be effected because number one, we've created the database. So create database student, one row effected. Use this database, one row effected. Then we can create a column. Okay, so basically we can do quite a lot. Okay, we learned this. Select, for example, star means O from did I call that test? Let's see. Okay, this is now the database we have of 3 columns. So we have my date, my time, date time. That's what we have there. Okay, my laptop will go off as soon as power comes. Please just be alert. Stay alert. This meeting is being recorded. We after cleaning we'll be able to share this part. Just stay alert. As soon as power comes, I will ask you to rejoin. Please pardon me for now. We have to use the laptop. We can't use the phone. We don't have the workbench for that. I hope that's okay. Give me a thumbs up. We'll build from there. Do I have people? Okay, good. Today and Thursday we'll do just this just database, trying to revise so that when we introduce that concept, there are a lot of symbols that you are going to deal with in your advanced database. There will be a lot of symbols, and those symbols, it is quite important for you guys to relate that symbol to the database that you learned. It's the same database but advanced. When we say we effect like the green, these greens, these green marks, what is happening in the background? That is what advanced database is about. You create a table. What procedure this underwent for the table to be created? That's what we're saying. So I will ask you back. For now, I think for now we can say bye to each other for now. Please just stay glued, be online. As soon as power comes, I will let you know.